On your iPad, go into the Clips app. Then you want to hit the Create New button. Then this screen is going to open up, and now we're going to add into the project. So there's a couple of different ways I can add into my project. One is by taking a photo. So I'll just take a photo by hitting the white circle. Okay, so I've just taken a photo and now I'm going to add that into my project. So what I want to do first is I want to add in a few special effects into this. So if I press on the multicolored star, that's going to bring up my menu. So I have a few options in here. The first one is the colors. I can pick a couple of different filters. So I'm just going to go with comic book. And then I can also then, if I click on the AA button, I can add in a couple of different, I can add in text into it. I can choose, I'm going to pick the bubbles. Okay, so when you pick these to add in the text, it's the style of it that you're picking. So I can't change the color of the font, and I can't change the font, but I can change what's in there. So I wish I had a pool. So I type in what I want, tap back out of it, and then I can move that anywhere I want, and I can resize it by using my two fingers. Okay, so I'm happy with this now and how it looks. So now I need to add it into my project. So anytime, even though it's a photo, when I want to add it in, I need to hit this red button that's here along the side, the red bar. And I just press my finger down and I hold it. And then when I release it, it goes into my project. Now, while I'm holding it, it's actually recording sound as well, but we can talk about how you can mute that afterwards. So I've added in a photo by taking a live one. I can do the same with a video. I can hold it up and record a video, or I can add ones in that I have already in my library. So if I want to add them in from my library, just press on the photo icon down in the right hand corner, and I'm going to just click on photos, and that's going to bring me to my own iPad gallery. And I'm going to pick the okay, and that's after adding in there. And now I'm just going to show you a few more special effects. So all of the special effects are in the star, the colory star button. So the next one we're going to look at is stickers, and the stickers are animated. So I'm going to just choose a sticker that I want to pop in here, and I'm going to pick this little arrow, and it has to download the first time that you use it, and then you have it from there in. So again, I can move this, whoops, sorry, I'm just going to drag that back out. That's another thing that can happen too. When I put in a photo, if the photo isn't exactly the shape or the size that I want, I can actually resize the photo as well within the clips. Okay, so I can make this photo, I'm going to just make it that size, and then I'm just going to tap on my little arrow, and I want to just change it like this, and I'm resizing so I could spin it and change it. I'm just going to pop that in there. So that's just adding in a sticker, and again I need to record it while I'm to add it in. So I need to hold down the red bar again, and I'm going to record that and put it in. So just to show you, I can add in a video. So back to my gallery, and I'm just going to pick a video. You could record as you're going as well. So because I already have this on a filter, I need to turn that filter off. So I'm just going to go back to my special effects, back into color, and then I'm just going to go back to the original. And if I go back into special effects, the white speech bubble, if I press on this, this allows me to do kind of, the words will come up as I speak them. And in the older versions of clips, it's not within the star, the special effects, it's out on its own. So you'll find it anyway, it's the same function. So I can just choose how I want my writing to come up on the screen. So I'm going to go with the bottom one there, and it's just, the other ones are just, you can see a preview of what's going to look like. You know, I don't really like that white bar, so I'm going to go back up and I'm going to go with simple lower instead. And now I'll tap out of that, and again I'm going to hold down the red bar when I'm ready to speak. Maybe I could put a pool in my back garden. I think Snoopy might like that. And now that's actually recorded my text over the video. Okay, so I'm just going to turn that off. So I need to turn that feature off, or else it will keep recording throughout everything. Sorry, into the special effects. Whoops. Into my special effects. I'm just going to go back to none, so turning off my live titles. And just one other little thing that you can do is, I've decided I want to just, that's the end of my presentation, so I'm just going to put in a poster. So I'm going to go back into where I'd add the photos by clicking on the picture icon, and then tap on posters. And I have a few different kind of just nice bright color posters that I can put up. And you can scroll down there, you'll see there's loads of different ones, and I'm just going to choose. And again, I will have to record that to put that in, but the very last thing I want to show you is just for the special effects is that there's also emojis that we can add in. So to be continued, and I'm just popping in my emoji, and again I can resize and put it wherever I want. So I'm happy with that and how it looks, so I'd like to add that to my project now. And again, if I don't press the orange bar, the red bar, it's not going to go into it, so I'll hold that down. And that's just added in then for 3 seconds. So I would like to put in as well, as I said, I'm talking in this, but I don't want to hear my own voice in it. So I'm going to just mute this one, because if I play that down and I hold it, and I'm going to record that and put it in. Yeah. Down and I hold it, I'm going to come out of that. I don't want that. I don't want me talking in that, so I'm going to mute that. And I'm going to record that and put it in. Okay, so you can see it's on a clip by clip basis, so you can edit any of the clips just along the menu at the bottom. So you just tap on the clip and you can mute them individually. So I'm going to mute that one as well, and that's just because it's recording my voice over it. I do have the option too, I could duplicate a clip. If I've put it in and it's too long, I can trim a clip. Okay, so trimming it is just kind of, you can take off bits at the end of it. So if I just pop that up, and I've decided, that last little bit it's a bit too long there, I don't really need it from there. So I'm going to just draw it in and trim it. So I'm just chopping off the end of it there. If I wanted to, if I had text, if I type in over something, so let me just see this one here, and if it was long, or if I'd made a video and I didn't want the text in the whole of the video, what I can do there is I can split the video. So I'm going to just split this, and if I just pick wherever I want to split it, and I'm going to just hit the white bar again, and then it brings up the split in yellow. So I'm going to press split. Okay, so now on this one, so this looks like it's the same, but if I tap into the second one, I can now go in here and I can delete that. I don't want him saying that. So I could add in a different effect. I could change put in a second thought or something for him there as well. Okay, and then just the last little thing, you may have heard there's a soundtrack in the background. If I want to add in a soundtrack, just go up to the top right hand corner, and there is a little music button up in the top right hand corner. If you press on that, I had actually added in a soundtrack already, so I'll just show you where they are though. Just tap on a soundtrack, and you can choose, these are all just different soundtracks that are there, so you just pick a soundtrack that you like, and then just come back out of it, and now that's added into it. And you could add your own music in as well if you wanted to. So tap on done, and that's it. So just the last thing that you need to do then is you need to save your clip if you're happy with everything. So you might want to just replay it. Again, you can move the order around as well. If you're not happy with the order of your clips, you can move them around, or you've decided you don't want something in it, you can delete it. Okay, and when you are happy with it, then you need to save it. So just tap on the icon down in the right hand corner, okay, to upload it. It's going to export it out of clips for you, and then you can just choose where you want to save it there. So you can either save it to files, or you can save it within clips itself. So if you just tap on save to files, and then it's going to just share the video. So just remember, just give it a name as well so that you can easily find it. But the videos, I suppose, if you make a long one, can take up quite a bit of space on your iPad, so maybe just upload it onto your Google Drive. So just to give it a name, just tap, and then you can delete and call it whatever you'd like to call it then. So I'm just renaming it done, and then choose where you want it to go and hit save.